So over here you can see that I got a bunch of layers, and let's say what we want to do is copy out certain layers right here. So in that case we can select it, and over here you can see that smart add panel is an option right here. So if you were to go around and click right here, then you can go around and select out, let's say for example, multiple panels right here that you want to copy and press OK. And then what happens is that they will be copied out onto the new panel, as you can see right here. But you still get the layers, as you can see beneath it. So you can go around over here again, and let's say I'm going to select out, hold control and select out these three layers right here. So if I were to go around and click on smart art panel right here, just like this, then you can see that you can go around and select out these layers, press OK, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And that is how you can go around and use the smart add panel option inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.